Channel 3's Athena Dredge continues our team coverage.
She spoke with migrant advocates to get their take on President Trump's Birthright Citizenship executive order. She's in the newsroom now with more on that. Athena.
Hi, John and Karen. That's right. This presidential action is called Protecting the Meaning and Value of American Citizenship, plans to reinterpret the 14th Amendment that guarantees citizenship to those born in this country. If it goes through in nearly a month, the executive order would prevent the federal government from issuing citizenship documents to U.S.-born children of undocumented parents. But that's if, as attorneys I spoke with say, the order is illegal and goes against the highest law in the country, the Constitution. And what I uncovered is that while the fears around this executive order are very real, legal experts think it's unlikely to take effect.
This executive order was written with no policy in mind except nativism. There's no money behind it because literally we don't have the money to do everything that the executive order wants to do. And it's just illegal based on Constitution Law 101. First-year law school is just illegal. But that doesn't take away the fear.
Fear. It's what Ally Boulour says the migrant population he works with is feeling, and something he wants to dispel after President Trump signed an executive action to roll back birthright citizenship for those born to undocumented parents. But as California and 21 other states have already sued the Trump administration for the order, Bolour and other legal scholars say it's unlikely to pass several challenges in court.
I would think this is going to get litigated to the fullest extent of the law, and that means it will probably land on this desk of the Supreme Court justices. If they take the case, they will decide this. I believe they will uphold the 14th Amendment. The 14th Amendment is very clear. Persons that are born in the United States that are subject to laws of the United States are automatically U.S. citizens. That's the highest law of the land, right? It trumps everything, including any executive order.
And while the executive order claims birthright citizenship has been abused by migrants, when asked the question, Bolour said this.
What do you think of that notion that people come here to have children and they try to take advantage of this birthright citizenship? How do you see that as an immigration attorney who deals with these clients on a daily basis?
That's what really makes America great, because you can come from anywhere. Reagan, one of his best speeches was, you can come from anywhere in the world to America and become an American.
It could take months or even years for the order to be litigated in court. Gloria Gomez says during that time, migrant populations will continue to live in fear and uncertainty through the Trump administration.
The children do not want to go to school. They are crying. They do not want to be there because the hardship of going on, coming back from school, not seeing their parents.
Now, when asked how those impacted by the order should prepare, Bolour told me he is urging his clients to get a U.S. passport as soon as possible and seek legal advice, as well as have a plan in place if you or members of your family are at risk for deportation. For now, reporting at the Breaking News Center, Athena Dredge, News Channel 3.